What's happening, guys, and welcome to Finance Ninja. It might seem like if you're an introvert or a private person who'd like to hide their life, then YouTube has nothing for you, but let us tell you that that is far from the truth. You can now earn $75,000 per year from YouTube Shorts without filming. But before we get started, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our future videos going forward. Number 5. Snapchat proved that YouTube Shorts can help us make money. The short-form vertical video has been all around the world since Snapchat introduced it, and TikTok helped it take off. With its stories and reels features, Instagram hopped on the vertical video bandwagon, and Facebook, which owns Instagram, copied the format as Facebook Stories. Vertical video has grown throughout the epidemic, with a typical adolescent viewing 80 minutes of TikTok per day. YouTube is now joining in on the fun as well. Shorts, a new tool that enables producers to publish short-form vertical films to the platform with various TikTok-like embellishments, such as music, colorful text, and photos, was unveiled earlier this month by the firm, which is a part of Google. Shorts appear alongside a creator's current videos on YouTube channels, and YouTube also expresses them in specialized places inside the YouTube app. What's the greatest part, you ask? YouTube has shown interest in assisting artists in monetizing shorts and turning them into a reliable source of cash. To that purpose, the business has pledged to pay artists a minimum of $100 million for creative shorts from now until 2022. Number 4. How to create a hit YouTube short. It's easy to make a short actually. If you reside in the United States or India, the functionality is already accessible if you have a YouTube channel. It will likely arrive soon in other places, so just be patient, okay? If you don't already have a channel, you can create one for free. Once your channel is up and running, open the YouTube app on your phone and hit the huge plus symbol at the bottom of the screen to start creating new material. A button to create a short should appear. The shorts camera will open when you press the button. You may immediately take a 15-second vertical video by holding down the red button. You may also access your phone's gallery by clicking the gallery icon in the bottom left corner and selecting a video you previously filmed. You may change to selfie mode, change the recording speed, and even add music to the mix. YouTube in particular should have a significant edge in the music industry. TikTok enables producers to embed videos, while YouTube often works directly with musicians or agencies, giving it the opportunity to negotiate better terms with artists and to incorporate a wider choice of songs in the future. Audio from a number of YouTube videos may also be remixed. You may add numerous elements to your video after you've filmed or picked it, including block letter text that displays over it. You can adjust the duration by using the timeline button. You may also apply filters and cut your video by eliminating the beginning or finish. Almost all short-form vertical video applications have these capabilities as standard. Shorts have much fewer features than market leader TikTok at debut, but YouTube is expected to add more shortly. Finally, you give your short a caption up to 100 characters and post it. Your short will go live and join the rest of your channel's videos. Number 3. What to make and what works best. To begin with, one of the goals of shorts, according to the handbook, is to allow the next generation of artists. That's a significant hint. TikTok's greatest viewership is under the age of 20, and YouTube is most likely aiming for the same demographic. As a result, youth-oriented shorts are sure to sell well. Shorts are also described as bite-sized narrative and the pleasure of short-form video in the book. There are various hints there once again. Vertical video in general, and TikTok in particular, rely on mini narratives that can be consumed in 30 to 60 seconds. It may be a puppet dance-off, a pet dressed up for Halloween, someone receiving and unpacking a product without showing their face, or you learning something new about your profession playing as an audio in the background while a beautiful landscape video plays on screen. In any case, the importance of narrative cannot be overstated. So is the concept of joy. Although TikTok has a dark side, the most popular videos are often humorous, well-intentioned, and lighthearted. On TikTok, happiness, in the form of dancing, humorous stunts, exciting new items, and so on, is a significant theme, and it looks like Shorts is focused on the same notion as well. As a creator, this means you should concentrate your shorts on uplifting, easily shareable themes that are relevant to your channel's broader topic area. Shorts also emphasizes mobile-first design. According to the guide, the first YouTube video was a brief film shot in a zoo with a mobile aesthetic. Since then, YouTube videos have gotten more polished and professionally made. In some cases, this makes for fantastic material, but it may also turn off low-budget or novice producers who are concerned that if they don't have the right thumbnail or a professionally produced video, they won't be able to thrive on YouTube. Shorts seem to be deliberately undermining such norms, pushing producers to produce material fast and in its raw form. Random, authentic, and uncensored videos are praised on the news site, according to the guide. This excites me since I've always avoided generating excessively polished YouTube material. Number 2. Earning $75,000 with YouTube Shorts. Of course, any skilled creative would instantly question, how can I commercialize this when they see Shorts? Long-form YouTube videos provide a variety of ad formats, including pre-roll advertising that may last several minutes, pop-over ads that appear over a video, mid-roll commercials that appear in the midst of extremely lengthy films, and post-roll ads that transition from one video to another. The purpose of Shorts is to encourage viewers to go from one video to the next quickly. There isn't much area for advertising as a result. TikTok has done well with sponsored videos with an expected $1 billion in revenue by 2020. Promoted videos, on the other hand, make it more difficult to attribute ad income to particular producers since they show between other creators' videos rather than on the same page as the video itself, as conventional YouTube advertising goes. YouTube developed the Shorts Fund for this purpose, as well as to promote usage of the new platform. In 2021 and 2022, the fund will give another $100 million to short makers. YouTube provides some clues as to how this will function. Importantly, Shorts don't need producers to be YouTube partners in order to get cash. This, like TikTok, attracts new creators to the site. Anyone may join in the fun simply by making unique shorts that excite the YouTube community, YouTube states. Every month, YouTube will call out to thousands of artists whose shorts got the highest interaction and views, awarding them with reimbursement from the Shorts Fund and asking for feedback on the platform, according to the company. If a creator is approved for a payment from the fund in a particular month, YouTube says they may earn between $100,000 and $10,000 each month based on their shorts' success. Number 1. What happens when you get monetized? If you qualify, you'll get an email and a notice in your YouTube app during the first week of the month, and you'll have until the 25th of the month to claim your prize by creating an AdSense account if you don't have one already, that is. Each month, payments will be made between the 21st and the 26th of the month. It seems that material must be original to qualify. Republished TikTok videos with watermarks may not qualify and may potentially exclude your channel from receiving awards. If the requirements for qualifying seem hazy, it's because they are. YouTube is refreshingly forthright about two parts of the Shorts program. They want to commercialize it in the long run, but they're not sure how. The Shorts Fund is the first step in our path to develop a revenue strategy for Shorts on YouTube, YouTube writes in a blog post introducing the fund. This is a high priority for us, and doing it properly will take some time. If only the creator economy's other platforms were this open. And this about wraps up our video, which we hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you don't miss out on videos like this going forward. And if you enjoyed the content, then let us know by leaving a like. And until next time, take care and goodbye.